Okay. So, anyways, this is the shed here, and it's surrounded by some grapevines and we have a fig tree and some blueberries, and then we come to the shed, and let's take a look inside the shed. So, inside the shed, we have basically got all of our tools. This is our wood storage area over here, and this is our routing table and our miter saw table, and over here is our pegboard with all of our various tools that we use. What fun. This is our clamp storage area, so we have our clamp storage area, and over here is our drill press grinding area, cupboard where we keep other tools. And then we come over here to our parts area. Yes, we have a computer here. Where would I go without a computer? And up here we have our more parts storage on that wall as well. Underneath we have our computer CPU. We have our table saw. We have our band saw. We have our scroll saw, and we have our generator over here. And of course our trash can. What fun. And this over here is what we call our Craig cabinet making area, and we build our cabinets on this bench here. And over here, again, a view of our routing area. We have our routing area here with our cutoff saw. There's our jig for making dovetails. And of course our saw, which picks up all the dust and dirt. Well, that's about it. That's the news from the shed. Have a good one.